April 14, 2022, 5 planets are visible during the nighttime hours. Before sunrise, Jupiter, Venus, Mars, and Saturn are in the eastern sky. After sunset, Mercury is in the west-northwest. The bright moon is in the eastern sky. Chart caption, 2022, April 14, Jupiter, Venus, Mars, and Saturn are nearly in a line in the eastern sky before sunrise. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:12 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:31 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. Early risers may see the moon in the western sky before morning twilight begins. By mid-twilight, the moon is below the horizon. 4 bright planets are forming a celestial dance line in the eastern morning sky. At 45 minutes before sunup, brilliant Venus is over 9 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Jupiter, emerging from bright twilight, is nearly 3 degrees above the east horizon and 15.6 degrees to the lower left of Venus. Jupiter moves into Pisces today. Venus and Mars appear in front of the dim stars of Aquarius. Saturn is in front of Capricornus. Mars is 10.1 degrees to the upper right of Venus, and Saturn is 6.3 degrees to the upper right of Mars. The 4 planets, from Jupiter to Saturn, span 31.2 degrees. Chart caption, 2022, April 14, Mars and Saturn fit in a binocular field. Mars and Saturn barely fit into a binocular field of view. Mars is to the upper left of Iota Aquarii while Saturn shows in the binocular with Deneb Algidi. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, April 14, Mercury is in the west-northwest after sunset. Mercury is beginning its best evening appearance of the year. The planet is bright, but near the west-northwest horizon at 45 minutes after sunset, nearly 4 degrees up in the sky. Use a binocular to initially find it. Later this month, the speedy planet passes the Pleiades star cluster. This evening the stellar bundle is over 20 degrees to the upper left of Mercury. Each evening Mercury sets about 6 minutes later and appears higher in the sky. The observing window to see the planet this evening is narrow. It sets 67 minutes after sunset. Start looking for Mercury with a binocular during brighter twilight, 30 minutes after sundown, and track it as long as possible. Chart caption, 2022, April 14, the bright gibbous moon is in the east-southeast after sundown. Farther eastward, the bright gibbous moon, 96% illuminated, is about 1/3 of the way up in the east-southeast. It is in front of the stars of Virgo. Gamma Virginis, also known as Porrima, is 7.2 degrees to the lower left of the lunar orb. Spica, 8.8 degrees above the horizon is 21.6 degrees to the lower left of the moon. Tomorrow morning, find the moon in the western sky during morning twilight.